Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of medicinal flowers that you absolutely need in your garden. Nature has gifted us with an incredible array of plants that not only beautify our surroundings, but also offer remarkable healing properties. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these 5 flowers are essential additions that can enhance your health and wellness. Let's get started. First on our list is the vibrant and aromatic calendula, often referred to as pot marigold. This cheerful flower boasts bright orange and yellow petals that can brighten any garden. But it's not just a pretty face. Calendula is renowned for its medicinal properties. The petals can be used to make soothing salves and ointments, perfect for treating minor cuts, burns, and skin irritations. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities make it a go-to remedy in herbal medicine. Plus, it's easy to grow and thrives in a variety of soil conditions. Just imagine stepping outside to pick fresh calendula petals to whip up a healing balm. How rewarding is that? Next up is the lovely lavender. Known for its calming fragrance, lavender is a staple in gardens around the world. Beyond its aromatic appeal, this stunning flower has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and relieve stress. The essential oil derived from lavender can help with anxiety, insomnia, and even headaches. You can dry the flowers and use them in sachets or teas, or simply enjoy their beauty while they attract beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden. Imagine sipping a cup of lavender tea after a long day, feeling the stress melt away as you breathe in the soothing aroma of your very own garden. Moving on, we have the delightful echinacea, commonly known as coneflower. This striking flower, with its purple petals and spiky center, is not only a visual treat but also a powerful ally for your immune system. Echinacea is famous for its ability to help ward off colds and infections. Many people use it in teas or tinctures to boost their immune response, especially during flu season. Plus, it's quite easy to grow and can thrive in a variety of climates. Just picture having a cup of echinacea tea on a chilly day, knowing you're giving your body a natural defense boost. And let's not forget, echinacea also attracts butterflies, adding even more life to your garden. Next, let's talk about the stunning chamomile. This charming flower, with its daisy-like appearance, is not just a beautiful addition to your garden. It's also a powerhouse of health benefits. Chamomile is widely known for its calming properties, making it a popular choice for herbal teas. It can help with sleep, digestion, and even skin conditions like eczema. The flowers can be harvested and dried to make your own soothing tea or infused oil. Imagine ending your day with a warm cup of chamomile tea, sipping away your worries while enjoying the peace of your garden. Chamomile is also a wonderful companion plant, helping to deter pests from your vegetable patch, making it a win-win for your garden. Finally, we can't overlook the majestic St. John's wort. This vibrant yellow flower has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly for its mood-lifting properties. St. John's wort is often used to help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. The flowers can be harvested and infused in oil or made into teas, providing a natural way to support emotional well-being. However, it's important to note that this flower can interact with certain medications, so it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before using it. Just imagine walking through your garden, surrounded by the bright yellow blooms, feeling uplifted and connected to nature. Now that we've explored these 5 incredible medicinal flowers, let's talk about how you can incorporate them into your garden. Each of these flowers is relatively easy to grow, requiring minimal maintenance. Consider creating a dedicated medicinal flower section in your garden, where you can enjoy their beauty and reap their health benefits. Plant them in well-drained soil and ensure they receive plenty of sunlight. Regular watering and occasional deadheading will keep them blooming beautifully. As you cultivate these flowers, take the time to learn about their specific medicinal uses and how to prepare them. There are countless resources available, from books to online courses, that can guide you in making teas, tinctures, or salves. You might even consider keeping a garden journal to document your experiences, noting what works best for you and how each flower contributes to your well-being. In addition to their medicinal benefits, these flowers can enhance your garden's biodiversity. By attracting pollinators and beneficial insects, you'll create a thriving ecosystem that supports not only your plants, but also the environment. Plus, there's something incredibly fulfilling about growing your own medicine, knowing that you're nurturing both your health and the earth. Finally, remember to share your journey with friends and family. Invite them to join you in planting these medicinal flowers, and together you can explore the myriad of ways they can enhance your lives. Gardening can be a wonderful bonding experience, and sharing the knowledge of these healing plants can inspire others to connect with nature and prioritize their health. So there you have it, 5 medicinal flowers that you shouldn't miss in your garden. From the cheerful calendula to the uplifting St. John's wort, each flower offers unique benefits that can enhance your health and well-being. Start planning your garden today and let nature's healing power flourish right in your backyard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and health insights. Happy gardening, and may your flowers bloom beautifully.